Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. These are the Constructivist graphic pack. You can easily download from my website by GFX. Here I will leave the link in the description. You can simply download from here, and here this is the files, architecture drawing models. You can see these are in PNG format, and here these are classical. You can see, and here these are hands, and here these are industrial auto. You can see old vehicle, train, old machinery, stuff like that. And here this is nature and animal. And here are others, textures, people, so that's in this video. I hope you found this data guide useful for you. Have a nice day, take care.